Hello friends, it's Running Kimono, and this is one of these last minute sorted deals over at Walgreens. Special shout out to Instagrammer Abby Coupons. This is just right on the money, this deal. A little bit of an out of pocket, but it is a solid money maker. I think it's just under $7 and it's quite fantastic. So we're going to jog through this deal and it worked beautifully for me. First thing that we're going to do is utilize this booster. So the basket balance is going to be like 48 bucks. So we're going to get that $10 reward back. So get the cashier to scan this. And the first item that we're going to grab is items at $10.79. So the calming body wash, and then there's a hand scrub. I thought those would be really cool items. So 2 of each on a BOGO 50% off. And here are the stickers. And as you can see, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25, and we're definitely going to hit that. And in a recent insert with the Unilever stuff, we have this very wonderful 5 off of 2. As you can see, it's expiring on the 15th, so this is definitely you're going to do this deal or not. And if you like the SheaMoisture, definitely do this one today, which is Saturday. Now, alternatively, if you don't have these manufacturer coupons, you can use this $10 register reward from the Listerine deal, and it'll work just fine if you use this one, because I know not everybody has insert coupons. Now we're going to grab 2 of these for $6, so that'll be 12, and there's a coupon that's a digital, and it's $5.49 off of the 2. Forgive me, guys, I didn't get a screenshot of it, and even in my used coupon folder, it's not there, so who knows? It's still there, though. I looked it up on the Walgreens app, but I just can't seem to grab a photo of it. But $4.59 off of 2. Please make sure you have that loaded. And then we're going to grab a toothbrush for $4, and there's a $2 digital coupon. And of course, I got a picture of that one. So make sure that you have this one loaded. So the entire basket is like $48. So just to jog through this, 4 SheaMoisture products, $10.79 on a BOGO 50% off. So that's like $32 and some change. And then we have $12 for the 2 Gillette deodorants and $4 for the Oral-B. So after the cashier scans everything, you present the booster, and she will scan that and then present 2 $5 coupons, or alternatively the $10 from the Listerine. As you can see, the digital $5.49 off of 2 for Gillette's coming off, and the $2 for the Oral-B toothbrush. So I had to pay $30.87 before tax, so I used my debit card. Because this is a spend booster, you must pay for the balance, so that's not negotiable. Okay, so looking at the receipt here, as I spent $25 on SheaMoisture, I'm getting my 10,000 points or $10 of Walgreens cash back. They make this so confusing. And then $10 also for spending 40 bucks, so that's $20 back, which is really fantastic. Now, also, I got back this as I bought 3 products, 2 of the Gillette, and then that 1 toothbrush. So I earned this, and that's a store coupon. So next week I have so many deals to use with this, the Pop-Tarts and the this and the that, the toilet paper. So I'm going to use this one next week. And then Fetch Rewards, guys. They have this. You just photograph the receipt, and this will pop up. And as I spent $30 on those SheaMoisture, I'm getting $10 back from the Fetch Rewards app. So if you've heard me talk about this app before, sign up today, guys. It's fantastic. It's not listed in the Discoveries page, but you have to photograph the receipt as you purchase products at Walgreens, and then this guy will pop up. So $10 back. Yes, please. And thank you so much. I absolutely love that. So over on IBOTTA, there's also dollar rebates for that Gillette deodorant. So I got back an extra $2 and an extra quarter for any item. So I am just laughing with this deal. I think I did the math, and it's just under a $7 money maker after everything's said and done. Yes, it is a little bit out of pocket, but if you balance everything else out, it's a really fire deal. So Saturday is the last day for this one. Good luck. If you missed my video from last night, I went to Home Depot in search of something else, and I found so many clearance items, guys. These Safeguard 25-ounce hand soaps, 83% off for $1. Go to Home Depot and check it out. And then these cutters, it is a insect spray, 50 cents each. So you can see some deep savings. Walk around end caps or at the front of the store where they have like, hand sanitizer, that sort of stuff. You may be able to find it. I found a lot of this stuff in the cleaning section on an end cap. Good luck, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.